need is rain. Now, unfortunately, when we're talking about other extreme weather, we're focused now, especially these next few days, on what's happening over in Florida. We have Hurricane Milton, which is intensifying rapidly. Already a Category 3 hurricane, expected to upgrade to a 4, already a 4. So look at that, it just happened. And then as it continues to move forward out towards Tampa, it'll probably downgrade to Category 3 hurricane, still a major hurricane with 120-mile-per-hour winds. The storm surge associated with this is going to be significant. 9 feet of storm surge in the Tampa area potentially. Now, there are some models indicating that if Tampa gets hit, this might be one of the worst places overall. This is a very low-lying area. It can't handle a lot of water, and walls of water could be moving in that area. There's already a lot of devastation and destruction from Helene just over, looks like about almost 2 weeks ago. And with that, the efforts to try to clear that area and get people safely out of the region becomes of dire concern. I mean, this is the largest evacuation for Florida in a very long time. And with that, Hurricane Milton is likely to make landfall on Wednesday. So we're going to wait and see how this plays out. But this hurricane, much more intense in many regards, especially when we talk about storm surge, as it compares to Helene just about 2 weeks ago. Could not get worse for that area. I mean, we really did not need to add in another hurricane to the region, and there it is, already on its way. All right, this is what it looks like over here at home. We have some fog forming along the, looks like commute. It looks like about 61 degrees in LAX, but visibility, it says about 1/10 of a mile. This particular spot, you're doing much better. However, there are pockets around LAX and even a little bit closer to the coastline where visibility is way down. So just keep in mind that there are patchy areas of fog, hard to see through. Use those low beams. You're going to want to do that. And you're going to want to potentially take a sweater or jacket with you this morning in some areas. Over in Anaheim, it's only about 64 degrees, 61 into Los Angeles. A lot warmer, though. For Santa Clarita, you're around 72 degrees this morning. That'll include Beaumont, and 71 into Ontario. We still have offshore conditions. So with the offshore winds, I mean, it's pretty good compressed air moving through the area. That's why we have some warm temperatures to get going this morning. But it's interesting that it's not strong enough. We don't have a lot of wind with it to push away the marine layer and the cloud layer that's at the coastline. So we're just kind of wedged in between high pressure and the little onshore push along the coastline. This fog that's forming will likely start to lift right around 9-10, and then excessive heat warnings out towards our inland areas. Now, here's that 7-day outlook powered by AccuWeather for Los Angeles and inland Orange County. 88 today, 86 degrees on your Tuesday and your Wednesday, and then we see those temperatures slowly dip down to 80 degrees on Sunday. Then you make your way forward. This is going to be the Valley's Inland Empire. All right, it's still hot today. We'll probably end the excessive heat warnings and heat advisories today, and then we're on our way to some cooler air, 88 degrees Saturday and Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday of next week, I think we're going to be back in the 70s, so there'll be something exciting to look forward to. The beach is 74, down to 73 by tomorrow. We stay there through the weekend, and the mountains sunny and clear. Overnight lows will fall a little bit better over the weekend, 70 degrees. Finally, the high deserts. All right, triple digits are out of here. We're seeing those 90s and then 80s.